There lived a country in Africa called Nigeria, whose citizens lived in hardship, brutal, battered, and shattered. Arise the compatriot, Nigeria cry for help. We don't beg God, we don't beg government, but instead of them to reply us, them use gun. We say offer good job, make man pikin seafood chop. Alaye no go rob. He say no go join court just because he dey fear God. Now, my guy don't go do fraud. He don't cash out. Everything don't dey go out work for him. So say I no go dey hear of rape and armed robbery for street again. But yet, they send the FCC follow us, come dey put gold for our head instead of job for our hands. If you no see fraud bad, why not give us what we want? Make man not feel sad, make man feel glad, so that when we go out there to represent, we go make Naija proud. How one take survive when governments not going to accept our friendship? They say no carry that thing else, we don't need in our relationship. Compatriot!